Hello, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about in my French. In my French, there is one apple. There is a beer. There are two beers. There is the bottle of yogurt. There are 4 onions. There isn't chili. There isn't any orange juice. Would you like some dessert? I have some delicious dessert. Or would you like a piece of cheese? It is malagueño cheese. How many carrots in my French? Yes, I have 5 carrots. How many strawberries in my French? Yes, I have 8 strawberries. How much milk do I have in my French? In my French, there are 3 pots of milk. 1, 2, 3. There any eggs in my fridge? Yes, there are 10 eggs. 10 eggs in my fridge. There are some sauces. There are some candies. There isn't any chicken. There aren't any bananas. Bye. Thank you.